Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to return an item to Adidas. Important note, you have 30 days from receiving your order to return it. Just make sure everything is in good condition, with tags still attached, and pack it in the original packaging. Option 1, return by post. Start a return on the Adidas website or app and follow the instructions. You'll receive your return label and all the details you need. Then just drop off your parcel at the designated drop-off point. Option 2, return at a store. If your order had free delivery, you can return it to an Adidas store. Simply bring your order number. You can find it in your confirmation email and the item you want to return. Note, Yesi shoes and items bought through the Confirm app cannot be returned in store. And that's it. That's how to return an item to Adidas. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.